Hello and welcome back. So I am back with another gift basket video. I just want to show you guys like how I put together some of the items that I did. So far I have approximately 10 baskets put together. I'm not sure why I just can't get in the swing of things, but I got like 10 baskets put together. Um so after I do these, I might be finished. I don't know. I might do another haul. I might find some more stuff. I don't know. I just signed up for an event um this weekend that's coming up. So, I gotta get in the craft room and start making stuff for that. So, but enough rambling. Let's get into these baskets. So in this basket, I have this beer mug. You can see it says number one dad. I etched this with I did a decal with a stencil with my silhouette, and I etched it with Armor Etch Cream. I think that's the name of it. I have a video of how I etch my glasses, so I will link it down in the description below. So I have this glass. I have this loofah. I have this Kenneth Cole Black body spray. I have this men's grooming kit. It is the nose and ear trimmer. So I have that. I have this lotion, cocoa butter lotion, and this M Black body wash shower gel, charcoal, and I have this clear skin facial set. So that's what I have in this one. And I'm gonna have to put it back together off camera. Yeah, so I'll put it back together after a while. All right, and this one. So I bought all these hand sanitizers. Well, I didn't buy a lot. I bought three or four hand sanitizers. I can't remember. And I'm like, I don't even know what to do with them. I don't know. It's like I can't, like, I don't know why I can't really get these baskets together. I'm just looking at stuff for the last few days. But anyway, so I have the hand sanitizer here. This is the Bath and Body hand sanitizer. And when I got these, they were 3 for $12. I have this charcoal body. It's a sponge, soap and sponge in one. So it's like soap on a rope type thing. I have this Dove hand and body lotion. I have this prayers and promises for men. It's like a devotional book for men. And I have this razor. So it's a safety razor. This is the razor, and then it has the case. And this is like $5.99 from either Ross or TJ Maxx. One of those fancy stores. So that's that one. All right, then I have this one. I'm not sure. I don't think I showed you guys this one in my last video. I'm not sure, but I have this Bath and Body set, the lotion and the body wash. Then I also have this Bath and Body candle. This is mahogany antique wood, and then I have this this notepad with a pen. So I don't know. I don't know why. I just like this. I'm so obsessed with this. If I was a man, I would want this. I like to write. I just like to have notepads and stuff. I don't know. So I have this one. So in this one, I have the exfoliating body scrubber. I have a Bath and Body candle. I have the Bath and Body body wash, the lotion, and this pore cleanser. Yeah. I wish I could find some more of these. I think I got this one from Marshall's, maybe. I can't remember exactly, but I wish I could find some more of those. I like that. So that's that one. I have this one. I don't really know how to put these socks in here, honestly. I don't know. I gotta rearrange this one. But anyway, so I have another one of those soap on a rope things. This is charcoal soap on a rope thing. I have Nautica candle. And again, this came from Tuesday Morning. I have the unlimited manicure set, or grooming kit. That's what it's called, grooming kit. I have this Dove Men body wash, charcoal and clay. I have the foot peeling socks. And I have this pack of Champion socks that I'm going to have to rearrange this stuff in here because I don't like how these socks are hanging open. So that is that. I'll fix that in a minute. I have another basket. I forgot to grab it. Let me grab that and I'll be right back. Alright, so this is my last basket. So I have this washcloth that I embroidered. And it says World's Dopest Dad. So that's that. Thought that was kind of cool. So World's Dopest Dad. And then I'm going to include this Snoop Dogg lighter. If you know, you know. No judgment here. So I have that. I have the face mask. I have some tea tree oil because men need this. They really do. I have Nivea lotion and the Nivea body wash. So those are some more baskets that I have put together. I'm going to try to go ahead and finish them before I go to the gym. It's 5:20. So that's that. And another thing that I keep forgetting is to include my business cards in my gift baskets. So if you have a business and you have business cards, make sure you include them in your basket. Don't put them now. I'm not gonna put mine where it's like obviously visible whenever you get the basket, but I am gonna stick them in there. And my business cards are very simple. I have my logo on the back. I have my business name, my name, my phone number, my email, and then my website, and I have the QR code that takes you directly to my website. So it's very simple. So just make sure you're including these in your gift baskets. So that's it for this video. You guys have a great one. Until the next time.